This is Chennai Airport. Chennai Airport is a small, tiny airport, masquerading as a big one. It's very, very tiny. Free shuttle service from airport to Aero Hub West. All the cabs come there. Bye Chennai Airport. This is the entrance of Taj. It's smelling amazing. They have stuffs inside, beer and all of that. Obviously nothing is free. Price kitna hai? This is the Zodiac restaurant of the hotel. This is the lounge area of Taj Coromandel. Chennai is almost flooded because of all the rainfall. I do not know since how many days it has been raining, but it's flooded. I wanted to go for a walk, but it's raining now. What do I do? It's going to rain for hours. Morning walk, बारिश में हल्का हल्का. चेन्नई सुबह सुबह कुछ नया बर्ड नहीं दिखा, अफसोस. It's okay. That is Chennai Lighthouse. This is Srinagar Botanical Garden. It has a name, but I could not pronounce it. So this is the famous Mysore Bonda at Geeta restaurant, Chennai. So this is garlic ghee roast masala dosa, and this is ghee roast podi ghee roast masala dosa at Geetam. एकदम तगड़ा भीड़ है. साड़ी दिवाली का सेल लगा हुआ है तो पूरा भीड़ लगा हुआ है, including for Kanchivaram. Neha is shopping. This is total Bada Bazaar vibe. We did shopping at Pothys. This is Nalli. And then we are just going to Marina. Hello. It has been lit beautifully for Diwali, I guess. What is this decoration for? Deepavali. Chicken 65 Thalapakiti biryani, and this is prawn. There's the Bay of Bengal right there. We're going to Mahabalipuram. Madras Crocodile Bank is closed today. Then towards returning we might go to Elliot's Beach. Sorry. We are at Mahabalipuram Shore Temple. It's very hot. The World Heritage Site of Mahabalipuram Shore Temple. इसके बारे में बचपन से पढ़ा था. ये पंचरथास है. This is the Pancharathas. It's beautiful. I don't think I need to say that specifically. This is Dharamraj Yudhishthir. This is Bhim, Nakul Sahdev. And I think that one is Arjuna. There's one. This place is so majestic, man. This is so beautiful. Oh, there's a giant banyan tree. The banyan tree, which is the people and the banyan, they are from the same fig family. They usually look at the prop roots. They spread out huge. Some of the largest, I think the largest one is in Andhra Pradesh. There's one giant one in Kolkata as well, Shivpur to be precise. This is Krishna's butter ball. This is acting against gravity. I don't know how it's stuck over there, but it's perfect. I've seen quite a few of these across India. This is probably the third one I've seen. This huge rock looks like half dome. It's cut in half very neatly. I don't know why it's not popular and there's nothing written about it. Probably because it doesn't have any religious significance. Raya Gopuram, Krishna's butter ball. See, Raya's go. Trimurti Cave Temple. This is Trimurti Cave. Mamallapuram city. He's making filter coffee for me at Anand Adyar Bhavan. They are looking at something. This is an amazing shop in just miles out of Mahabalipuram. They have this is I believe it's a vegetarian restaurant. We have had Adyar Bhavan in New Jersey, but this looks amazing, perfectly amazing. So we are done and we are leaving for Chennai.
Back to Chennai.
We are crossing a very famous institute. We are crossing IIT Madras. And देखो उसका campus. Come to a mall. Forgot the name of this. Express Avenue, I guess. Yes. Famous Madras coffee house. Let me see if we try something from here. Starbucks over here. Quite a few Starbucks. This is Manushi Chiller or Miss World. Look at the variety of drinks and food they have in Starbucks in India. Tons of varieties. I've never seen this many varieties anywhere in the US. Never. True. If you want to do fancy, you should come visit India. This is a fancy restroom. हाँ कल मूवी यहीं से देख लेंगे. Food court, Kakada Ramprasad, California Burrito, BK Cafe, Burger King, Samosa Singh. Neha, they have Samosa Singh and California Burrito, burgers, Belgian fries. Oh, there's so many things, man. Belgian fries, Nando's. They have Nando's, Madras, Maplai, frozen bottle, Punch, Taco Bell, KFC, Pizza Hut, Cha Republic. Oh, Cha Republic hai ye. Arabian Hut. Bistro. And then you have Domino's. And the Game Plaza. And then again Dosa. Arabian Hut. Nando's. Finally at Geetam, this is full despite it being a very huge restaurant. It's big, but it's still full, and it's Monday. It's idiyappam for the first time. This is coconut stew and this is kurma with idiyappam. So let's see how it. This is sizzler platter or something, paneer platter or something. This is ghee podi masala. I think this is the last one. Such a fancy dessert. This is Geetam special faluda, right? I'm sure it's loaded with calories. तो हम लोग गीतम का हो गया, गीतम का भी खाना हो गया. बहुत डेकोरेशन मारा है गीतम बाहर से गीतम का चेन्नई. I'm just taking a video. We are at Sangeeta Veg. This is yet again a popular veg restaurant. So we are at Sangeeta. I'll just look at this decor. It's like anaconda. It's beautiful. The decor is beautiful. Sangeeta Veg. So we took this vadai and bhaji. And this is made fresh. Vadai avial, idli and ghee dosa. We did darshan of the famous Kapileshwara temple. It's a beautiful temple. The vibes were amazing. Loved it. And we did some tons of shopping from here. It's a nice shop just near the temple. And we bought some things from her. She was selling coloring books for children. The guy is trying to strangle the other cat. They're having a fight for some reason. A catty fight. We are at a Malayali restaurant for the first time in India, Ente Keralam. We wanted to eat Malabar Parota. Let's see how. ये Malabar style नहीं है, ये जो आगे में जो थाई रूफ करके दिया हुआ है पूरा उस style. Chicken roast and Malabar Parota, and I am trying Kariman fish baked. नहीं मैं वीडियो ले रहा हूँ. I'm having this fish for the first time. This looks delicious. नहीं हम लोग कोलकाता में भी एक केरला वाले रेस्टोरेंट में गए थे, right? You remember? Kariman fish. This is baked in banana leaf, as you can see. It's super tasty. It's like melting in my mouth. This chicken roast with Malabar Parota. Super. Now we got the appam because it's light. We'll have it with the leftover chicken. अच्छा ऊपर में भी है.
और ये उससे बनाया जैसे चाय.
Bye bye Chennai. See you soon.